Changing your profile picture on Lyft is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Profile to view your account details. Step 3. Edit profile. In your profile section, look for an option to edit your profile. This may be represented by a pencil icon or an edit button. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Change profile picture. Locate the current profile picture and tap on it. You will be given options to either take a new photo or select one from your device's gallery. Choose your preferred method and select the image you want to use. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Done button and tap it to confirm your new profile picture. Now your profile picture on Lyft is updated. Enjoy your rides with your new look.